Hey guys! The Google Pixel 6 series will be released in a few weeks. It's likely to be unveiled on October 19 with some evidence pointing to October 28 as the first release date. We know very little about the phones. We saw a hands-on footage of the Pixel 6 Pro a few days ago, but the only thing we didn't know was the price. In fact, the new Google flagships will be only accessible in 8 countries, 3 of which are in Europe. That's where the current leak comes from. Pricing for 2 new models was discovered by someone inside a big European carrier and it's less than you might anticipate. This information comes from the YouTube account This Is Tech Today, which previously provided a hands-on video with the Pixel 6 Pro. Let's get back to the phones. The Pixel 6 will be mostly likely be available in 2 storage options, 8/128 and 8/256 gigs of storage. They will cost €550 and €650 respectively as shown in the image. To put that in context, the Pixel 5 started at $630, 8/128 gigs with mid-range CPU and basic twin camera system. The Pixel 6 Pro will be available for €900. This one should come in 3 flavors, 128 gigs, 256 gigs and 512 gigs of storage with 12 gigs of RAM in each. Expect a €100 difference between each storage choice. The €350 difference between the vanilla and Pro models may appear to be significant. In addition, there is a significant hardware gap apart from increasing RAM and storage capacity. The Pro will include a larger curved screen 6.7 inches QHD Plus with 120Hz refresh rate as well as Samsung's E5 LTPO panel. A 33-watt fast charging, a 48 megapixel with 4x telephoto lens added to the 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel rear cameras. The Pixel 6 will be reportedly have a 6.4 inches 90Hz refresh rate flat AMOLED display. Instead of 3 rear-facing cameras, there will be only 2, one of which will be endowed with a superb 50 megapixel primary image sensor. Note that the 2 models will be available in different colors and certain countries will have fewer of selections. Only fog and carbon color were seen for the Pixel 6 and only carbon for the Pixel 6 Pro, according to the source of this information. What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comment area. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.